This incident happened last summer. My father was going away for some work, so we decided to spend our summer vacations at our aunt's house. She lived about 5 hours drive away. I was excited. My aunt had two daughters who were my best friends. We reached at my aunt's house and thereafter ate our dinner and then went to our rooms to sleep. All four of us were sharing the same room. My elder cousin started telling us a horror story about a cursed woman who lived in a well. Truly, I was scared to my core. Then she asked us to come with her to the well so that she can prove that her story is true. We refused, but she insisted again and again. We ended up agreeing with her. We all grabbed our mobile phones and sneaked out. There was complete silence around us. Only our own footsteps could be heard. There was not a single light source around us, mere darkness engulfing everything. Suddenly, we heard some noises. It sounded like somebody's cry. We got very scared. Let's just go back, I said. But my cousin refused. After walking 30 minutes, we reached the well. It was right in front of us. The place had some kind of weird silence, like it was noisy but at the same time peaceful. Let's go near, my cousin said. My eldest cousin was in front and three of us were in back. We gathered our courage and looked inside. What we saw next was beyond horrifying. There was a lady inside the well. Her eyes were whole black. Her lips were stitched together. I was horrified. Without wasting any other second, I started running away. I looked back and saw my cousin and sister running behind me. We started hearing crying sound again, but we kept running and finally reached our house. That's when we noticed that my younger cousin was missing. We were so scared that we didn't even notice that she was missing. We didn't have the courage to go back and search for her, so we had no other option but to tell our mothers. We went in and told them everything. They called the police and reported my cousin missing. Police came. My mother and aunt went out with police to look for my cousin. After some time, my mom and aunt came back. They told us that they found my cousin about 20 kilometers away from that well in unconscious state. I was shocked how she reached there, why she went there, with who she went there. I had many questions in my mind. When she gained her consciousness back, we asked her how she reached that far. She told us she remembered nothing. She only remembered seeing some orange light before fainting. Police searched the whole area, but neither found the woman nor the lights.